This is a box of 10 5/16 by coarse thread, 18 threads per inch, 2 inches long. And they have the truss heads, which kind of do a lot of work without a larger washer. Phillips head drive. And I use the descriptor in the headline, excellent, when I review this ASN company's hardware, because universally, and I've used these guys' stuff, I've reviewed a bunch of it, every single fastener, every single unit has been flawless, down to how the threads start to where they end. These truss heads, there's no burrs, there's no dents, marks. Especially Phillips head, the drive areas in some bolts are sometimes misshapen. Never seen one from this company that was anything but perfect. 304 stainless, and on top of all that quality, they're priced way better than you can buy in a large box store, which would not be carrying these truss heads, I can assure you. If you went to a hardware store or bought them from a specialty hardware place, these would be very expensive. And this whole box is less than $10. Just can't beat it. Can't beat it at all. I've seen bolts like this go for $2.50 or more a piece. So very affordable, very, very high quality. Give them a try. You will not be dissatisfied. Cheers.